What are you doing? Get to work, beast!
Needle.
She's in my sights. About 1,423 animals were abused every day in 2011.
Over 100 million animals are killed every single year due to their use in medical research.
140 million dogs are killed each year due to hunting.
Please, give animals their rights.
Millions of animals die every day just because of us.
Animals' lives matter too.